guys, today we're going to be starting the restoration process on our Duke-a-Bor log cabin I'm trying to fix up. And this is the first log I'm going to try. It's pretty solid, no rot in it. And we just got our new Makita drum sander, so I'm going to test it out on this. But yeah, let's go ahead and start working on this stuff. I've got 3 of these pieces. I hope it works as well as what I think it's going to. Have seen other people use these sanders before, and it turned out looked like pretty good results. So anyways, let's try it. Gonna adjust it. No. Some bits to the side, not this is the lyrics on and supposed to be. Yeah. So on the 3 logs that we're working on, this is the only one that's got some dry rot in it. I think this was caused by those carpenter ants, and it's in there about 1 inch. And as you can see, it looks pretty bad, and I know there's things you can do to stabilize the wood, but what I think I'm going to do is take the broad axe and just try to shave this front down so we get a nice hewn surface like the other logs. We'll take a look at them. Now here is the outside of them. Bad checks. They only go about halfway through, so I think they'll be okay. Here's the inside. They look really good. Once these get varnished, they'll be excellent. So anyways, I think we'll try the broad axe and see what that looks like. Well, I don't really have a good place to work here at home, so I just set this at the edge of the table. I'm just going to try it. Go real slow. Really hard with this wig one like that. This. the worst side of it here. Maybe if I do it from this side. Just want to take off enough to get rid of the rot. Not make it too thin, and I got to keep it kind of flush. So. Okay, I finally just put this thing on the ground and hewed it with the axe. I think I've got it fairly straight. So all that rot before was all up in here. I trimmed it down as much as I could without really making the log too thin. I think I got it fairly straight. This is the first time I've ever tried to hand hew a log. It's a lot of work when you don't know what you're doing. So I think I got, hard to tell that angle, but this log's twisted up here a bit. So anyways, I'm just going to take the sander, like I did the other ones, buff that down, and on this other side, I think we're still kind of cleaned up. I'll just run the wheel sander over that again, get this all cleaned up, and then we should have our 3 logs done. This was the inside face, so that's why I was a little more fussy about it. Like I said, I got this fairly flat. I think if a guy practiced a bit, you could actually do a pretty good job, and I don't have a good setup where I am, so a couple solid sawhorses to do it up, you could probably do fairly well. Anyways, next I'm just going to run the sander over this, and then we'll check out all the 3 logs together. Okay, here is the 3 logs I've just done. This is the inside. This is the one I hand hewed to get the rot out. Now theoretically all these should be the exact same length because they go between the door and the window. I'm going to just double check my pictures again. We might trim these down all to the same length. Makes a lot more sense that they are all the same length. This is the outside. Some big checking on the outside, but I can seal this up. I've got kind of a plan for that. Anyways, next step, I'm going to blow the dust off of these, and then we'll stain the outside just to see what it looks like. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys, this is just a beautiful cut this thing did. The blade did an excellent job. Now even with this 12-inch saw, it cut it from both sides, but it just wasn't quite big enough. I'll have to finish that with a handsaw. But that'll be on the top of the log, so no one will actually see that. So this will be the face where everything mates up, and just couldn't be happier with the job this has done.